Leica has brought out its second generation instant camera, aptly known as Sofort 2. Sofort means immediate in German. This is a sequel 7 years in the making, but it seems worth it. It has Leica from the outside, well made for the market segment and recognizable. It comes in three colors: black, red, and white. The most important improvement over the first so far is that it no longer just an instant camera. It is now a hybrid digital camera with a 1 by 5 CMOS sensor that captures 4.9 megapixel photos to the microSD card. You can then choose which photos to be printed. The Leica Sofort 2 is also a photo printer. You can send images you've taken on the phone to the Sofort 2 and print them. It takes Sofort Color Film Mini, which is 86 into 54 mm in size. On the back, you get a 3-inch LCD screen and a menu similar to the ones in Leica camera. The 28 equivalent lens on the front is the same focal length as a popular Leica Q series fixed lens camera. It has a 10 centimeter minimum focusing distance. There's a flash in the front. It's priced from 386 pounds or 389 euros and will be available on November 9th. It is more popular than Instant Evo from Fujifilm, but this is Leica.